Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how to set up the Flutter SDK for developing Flutter applications. Flutter is a powerful open source UI toolkit by Google, and using it we can develop applications for both Android and iOS from a single code base. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install Android Studio. You need Android Studio in order to run Flutter applications. Your system must have Android Studio installed to set up the Flutter SDK. If you have not installed Android Studio yet, please install it first. I have already created a separate video on that. You can install Android Studio in just 7 minutes. So please watch this video. I will attach the link in the description. Now I am assuming your system having already installed Android Studio. So let's start. The first step is download the Flutter SDK. Open the Chrome browser and type Flutter SDK and search. You will see two links here. Find the one that says Flutter Archive, which is the official website. Open that link. You will see an overview of the Flutter SDK. Scroll down and you will find out stable channel. These are the stable version of the Flutter SDK. So you will see various version here. So you can download any one of them. I will download the first one, which is the latest version. So here I will download. So I have already downloaded the file. So I will cancel the download. After successfully downloading the SDK file, we need to configure it properly. For configuring properly, you can open your file explorer and extract the zip file. As I have already downloaded the SDK, I will go ahead and extract it. Once the extraction is complete, we need to paste it into a folder. It is better to paste it in C drive. This is considered best practice for installation. Now that the extraction is complete, I will copy the extracted SDK folder. Now open the C drive. In the C drive, you can create a new folder and give any name as your preference. Here I will give the name of the folder is Flutter. In this folder, I will be paste the copied Flutter SDK folder. Okay. So after that, once the Flutter folder is successfully pasted here, we need to add the path of Flutter SDK to the system environment variable. For that, you can open the Flutter SDK folder and locate the bin folder. As you can see here is the bin folder. We need to add this bin folder path to our system environment variable. For that, you can copy the bin folder path. Now open start menu and search advanced system setting and open it. After that, click on environment variable. You will see two sections here, one of the user variable and another is system variable. Under user variables, look for a variable name as a path, then double click on it to open. You will see here list of paths, various paths. So click on new path to paste our Flutter SDK path. So you can click on a new and paste it the copied selected path. Okay, and after the successfully pasted path, you can click on OK to save. The Flutter SDK path is now successfully added to your system environment variable. So you can close all the windows now. Now we will set up Android Studio to run Flutter projects. So open Android Studio first. As you can see here, there is no option to create Flutter project. So we need to configure Android Studio also. We need to install some plugins to run a Flutter project on Android Studio. So to set up the Flutter, so we need to install mainly two plugins. Okay, here you can click on a plugin as you can see. Then go to the Marketplace tab, search for a Dart, and uh, after that install this Dart plugin. Okay, after this you can search Flutter plugin. Okay, so you can also install Flutter plugin. Once both plugins are successfully installed, you can restart Android Studio. Apply this all changes. Now, as you can see here, new option is available for creating a new Flutter project. As you can see here, so you can using this option, you can create new Flutter project. Before that, we need to select the Flutter SDK location. Click on browse. Okay, after that, go to the folder where we place the Flutter SDK. That is the C drive inside the Flutter folder. Select that folder. In my case, okay. So if the path is correct, you will not see any error message here, as you can see here. Okay, if let's suppose if you are selected the wrong path, you will see an error that says Flutter SDK not found in the specified location, as you can see here. So make sure you are selected the correct path of the Flutter SDK, and then you can click on next. Now you can type the project name here and click on create button to create the project. It will take few seconds to create the Flutter project. Now setup is almost completed. So however, we still need to check if anything is missing. So for that, you can open command prompt and run Flutter doctor command to check anything is missing or not. So using this command, we will check uh, which tool are installed or anything is missing or not. So in my case, it's showing that the command line tools are missing. So let's just fix first. Okay. So go back to Android Studio. Click on setting icon. So and open SDK manager. Inside SDK manager, go to the SDK tool tab. Scroll down and find command line tools. Select the latest version and click OK to install it. Once you click OK, it will start downloading, and after the download is complete, it will install automatically. After the installation is complete, open command prompt again and run the same command, Flutter Doctor. Here I am typing Flutter Doctor. So you can run this command. Now, as you can see, the warning about command line tool should be gone. However, you might still see a warning related to Android Studio license. To solve this warning, you will see command in the terminal. You can just copy this command and run. After running this command, you can type yes or simply type Y and press the enter to accept the license agreements. Repeat this process for all the license. You can just type Y rather than yes. Okay. So once done, run the Flutter Doctor command again. If you still see any license warning, that means you might have missed accepting one. So here in my case, I think missed to accept any license. So I will run this command again, and I will accept all license again. Okay. So after that, I will run Flutter Doctor command again. So this time you should see everything marked with green check marks. This means your Flutter setup is complete and everything is working correctly. Now go back to Android Studio and run the project. It may take few minutes to build the project. Okay, so you can wait. As you can see, the Flutter application is running successfully and showing the default Flutter counter application, which is comes with the default template provided by Android Studio. So our Flutter setup has been successfully completed and fully configured. So if you have found this video helpful, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, motivated me. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep